pink guy about like 4 months ago? This is gonna be interesting. That was gross. Ew! Ew! What landed on my hand? I didn't know if he's 8 years old or 80 years old. I can't feel my lower body. Am I standing up? I can't even feel I'm standing up right now. I can't.
Don't spit that milk. Don't spit that milky milk on my thighs.
Why does it say pee-pee on it? I'm not getting my pee-pee. You're freaking badass. I'm not that badass. Oh my god! What the f*** you just punched me in the face?
Dummy construction worker.
Are you serious? -1. I'm sweating. I'm gonna say world, but I'm gonna put a globe instead of world.
Ethan's chin is too damn pointy.
Shut up. I'm a good kid. Good citizen, purity ring wearing teenager. Alright. I don't know if this is gonna get flagged or not, because this looks exactly like a butt. I'm drinking. I did not make it through my fight. Ethan's going first because he's my bitch. Hydrogen and helium. Fire? I don't know. Oh, suck it. What happened? What happened? Grayson, is it bad? Grayson? You're crying. He's crying. He's crying. I get it.
Me on the ice cream man, she chonky monkey.
I'm safe. I'm safe. I cannot put that in. What you got? What you got? Grayson, my soul is extinct. Yes, I'm good. Okay. There's a claw. Stop. I just can't wait for round 7. I can't. It hurts when I laugh. It looks like. This is round 7, please. I'm gonna puke looking at you. Alright, bro. No, round 7. Hold it in. You chill. Alright, I think I'm good to go. You put it in your mouth. You put it in your mouth. You put it in your mouth. However you want. And then that's what you just did, right? No, I didn't. You put it in your mouth. I'm not gonna say that anymore. You take it in there. That's the way it works. You can explain. Okay, I'll take it from here. I'll take it from here. Okay. So that one didn't go as planned.
Quick, open your mouth, open your mouth.
Number 54. Gracie Dolan eats coconuts whole. What? Grayson Dolan used pizza grease to grease up his hair for this photo. I used water. I did not use pizza. I'm speechless over that edit. What udder is that on my chest? I gave you an udder.